Hey everyone, in this video I will explain how to fix Valorant error. We are having trouble signing you in. Please try again later. Let's get this fixed. Okay, first of all, close down Riot Games if it's open and make sure it's not running in the background. So to do that, just go to your task manager. And in here, check to see if Valorant and Riot Game is running. Close them. On your desktop, right click on Valorant and select Properties. In here where it says run, click on normal window and choose minimized. Once you've done that, then click on compatibility and make sure to check this option, run this program as administrator. After that, click on apply and OK. Follow the same process for Riot client. So just right click on it, go to properties, then compatibility. Make sure this one is checked. Click apply and OK. If you're still having an issue, then try the next step. On your keyboard, press Windows key and R to open up Run. And type in there %local app data % and click OK. And look for Riot Games folder. Once you find it, make sure to delete it. The next solution is to change or check the DNS server in your computer. So to do that, open up Run by pressing Windows key and R on your keyboard. And type in here ncpa.cpl and then just click OK. Over here, choose the internet connection that you're working on. So in my case, I'm working on Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to right click on Wi-Fi and select properties. And next in here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Then we need to select this option, use the following DNS server address. And for preferred DNS server, type in there 8.8.8.8. And then for the bottom one, which is alternative DNS server, type in there 8.8.4.4. Also make sure to check this option, validate settings upon exit. Just in case you have already selected this option in the past and it still is not working, then you can just choose the top one which says obtain DNS server address automatically and just click OK. And next, close all this, open up command prompt. So to do that, go to search bar and type in there CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. Type this command ipconfig /flash DNS and press enter. Then restart your computer. After you restarted your computer, then launch the Riot Games and log into your account. Once you signed in, then you will see an update. So just go ahead and update it. Hopefully one of these solutions will work for you. So please don't forget to let me know in the comments below. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.